Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Here we are in the second version, the revised version of the OMUA Dock Marina. I will show you the changes, but first things first, I want to shout out and thank each and every one of you for helping me reach the homepage for this creation. It's amazing to have hit the homepage in only a few days, so hopefully it continues to grow and build and everybody gets to enjoy this creation. Again, I'm honored and I'm really blessed, and I thank each and every one of you. A question that we are constantly getting both on our server and on the YouTube videos and on the creation itself is, how do I spawn this creation? And I will tell you right away, you cannot spawn it by going to the add-on editor, loading it up, and spawning it here, because we have coded it to work as a optimized creation, meaning when you are no longer near the building or near the marina, it despawns, it goes away. So you're not going to have all 7 of them constantly loaded. That is a feature that we did for the dealership and a feature that we did for some of our other creations, and we did it for this as well, and by we I mean Sheppy and myself. So you cannot get it to spawn from the add-on editor. Instead, you have to go to the main menu. You got to start a new game. You do that obviously by going to new game button, and when you're in the new game button, you can set everything here as you wish. There's some things that I just always turn off for my own self, but this is the key bit. You go to the workshop, you can go to group by date, and you can go to the latest version, which is right here. You turn that on and then go back and load up your game, and then you wait for it to load, and it starts us off here. We set our character, whatever, and what I always do then is, if I am in custom mode, I just fix the weather so it's all nice, unlock the properties and map, and when you press M, you can zoom out on the map, and here is one of the locations here, and it's shown as the OMUA Dock Marina. If you zoom out and go more to the left, here is another location, OMUA Dock Marina, and that is all that we have on the Arid Island. Now if you go up to the main island, or this island, Sawyer Island, zoom in to this location near the fishing village, you get another one. Go just up the river, kind of between Holt Town and the wind turbines, you get another location. And then over here by the Olsen Bay, you get another location in this area. On the south bit of the map, you have one here on this bay, and that's a nice location to be able to kind of reach a lot of places like this. And the last final location is here. I think this is called the main island. You get one on this beach. Because we're in free mode, all we have to do is right click and say teleport here, and you will start off here, and if you just wait a second for it to spawn in, there you go. Now this one, as I discussed, is intentionally kind of buried in the sand, and that is so it looks like the sand kind of overtook it and whatever. That's fine in this case, but the ones that you have on this island here, especially the ones that near the roads, they're going to be fine. So it's not a glitch to have the sand over the road. That's purely intentional. There you have it. So if we just no clip to this location, you can see the road works nicely, the marina spawned in properly, and everything is good to go. So you can then go ahead and use it. That is all there is to it. I know it'd be nice to not have to start a new game, I do agree, but that's just the way it has to be with the code and with the style of creation that we have, in a sense that there's multiple locations, so it's not just as simple as spawning in a dumb building, as I always like to say. This building has a lot of code with it. So that is the part that I explain how to install it. Now for the newest revision, which came out today, hopefully some of you have already seen it, we actually released a brand new ship. You'll see on this list now there is a ship number 13, the service boat. And if you rent that, you actually get a brand new ship that's never been seen before, and it is called the RV Flipper. RV meaning research vessel, flipper because it is part of the walrus class of vessel, and we already have a tusks, and this is the flipper part of a walrus. And the flipper is also conveniently, there is conveniently a crane on the back where you can actually use it to potentially flip boats back upright or tow them as needed. So it's a nice little service vehicle that you will get with this update and hopefully enjoy and, you know, service the marina with. To despawn a boat, you just come return it here, press return boat, and it is gone. So it's just as simple as that. If you are too far away, it will not despawn it. So you have to be in this general vicinity. So again, I'd like to thank you all for subscribing to this creation. Hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you for watching the video as well. Stay tuned for more videos, for more content, more creations, and ton of things that I have planned for all of you. So, see you next time. And as always, happy Stormworksing, everyone.